Hello, sixth grade. Blue math, blue math, blue. We are venturing on to 9-3 today. Pretty simple stuff. So it's about perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around a figure or around a shape. But area is the space inside of the figure. So they're two totally, excuse me, I have the hiccups. Two totally different math concepts. The perimeter is the distance around. The area is the space inside that it takes up. For perimeter, you just simply add all the sides. Or the shortcut would be to say, hey, I need to take 2 of the length and 2 of the width, and I add them together. I went with your book on page 426 and was showing the curse of L and the curse of W, or the way that they put it in italics. Area, the space inside. My little asterisk there is to remember that the label gets squared. So if you had centimeters, you would say centimeters squared as your answer. And the way to find the area, and today we're just working on squares and rectangles, you simply multiply the length times the width. And that formula is A equals L times W, length times width. I drew some examples down for you, one of each kind, a rectangle. So the width is 7, the length is 12. If I was finding the perimeter, as you notice, is a capital P, area gets to be a capital A. The perimeter, I'd simply add 12 and 12, 7 and 7. Or, in my mind, I can think about 12 and 12. That's easy. 24. 7 plus 7, 14. Easy. In my head, I can do 24 plus 14, which, as you see there, is 38, and my label is inches. Now, if I'm asked to find the area of the rectangle, I simply multiply the width times the length. 12 times 7, which is 84. And as you notice, in my label, I had to put the squared because it's about not the volume necessarily, but it's the space inside of a figure. So we're talking about something that has depth. And so I have to say 84 inches squared. Now I drew a square. Now when a square, you remember the definition from last chapter, all the sides are even. So they tell you that the side is 8 feet. If you see in your book the S is standing for side. Because in a square, all sides are the same. So instead of writing 8, 8, 8, 8, I just say, hey, for perimeter, I have to add. And 4 eighths is 32 feet. And for area, I have to multiply length times width, or side times side. And 8 times 8 is 64. And then I have to square my label, feet squared. So these are from the U-Tries on page 429. And so today I just want you to go straight to your worksheet. So go ahead, I will pan out here so that you can write this down in your measurement geometry book. You have 2 formulas to put in: perimeter of a square or rectangle and area of a square or rectangle. We're going to work on other shapes as we move through this chapter. So there you go today. Kind of quick, kind of easy. Perimeter you add, area you multiply. Perimeter add, area multiply. Say it. Perimeter add, area multiply. All right. 9-3, take a picture, or take a picture of it.